today's video we are going to see physics, class 10 physics. In that you are going to see the chapter light, reflection and refraction. I am going to say the tricks to crack the chapter very easily and to remember the chapter logic and formula for longer term easily. Okay, so let us go into the video. Now you already know what is the meaning of reflection and refraction. Reflection is when a light ray is coming, hitting, and then it is going to bounce. That's all. Similarly, refraction, if I am considering a transparent medium like this, a light ray will pass through that. Okay, depends on the medium, it will undergo the bending. Next, so it is a basic explanation for the chapter name, but that is not what I am going to talk today. I am going to say in which way you can plan for the preparation of the chapter. So we are going to divide the chapter into 3 parts. First one is mirror, and then lens, and then finally refractive index. So under mirror, how many types of mirror you can see? Convex, concave. Lens also convex, concave. After going into the segregation, you got the clarity. This is the complete chapter. So plan first what you are going to cover under the mirror portion, and then what you are going to cover under the lens portion. Then you can go for the refractive index. So under mirror and lens, you will cover ray diagrams. And then tabular column. So this ray diagram and tabular column you must prepare first, then only you can proceed for the numericals. Why I am talking about the numericals? Because it is very important chapter where you can expect many numericals. Okay, so our focus should be in the form of numericals. Then what about lens also? That is also the same story, ray diagrams and tabular column. First you must memorize that completely, then only you can touch the problems. So for that only I am going to give the sign convention table. That is a trick to solve the numerical very easily, and then I will tell you which tabular column and figure you are going to merge before the preparation for this chapter. Okay. So you can see for concave mirror in the NCERT textbook in page number 164, you can see the table 10.1, and in page number 166 you can see the figure 10.7. Similarly for convex mirror in page number 167 you can see table 10.2, and page number 167 again you will see the figure 10.8. Okay, so why you are saying this, you might wonder. It's very simple trick. First work for you to combine the table and the figure. What is the table consist of? It is having nature, size and position of object and image. So what type of image you are obtaining, where you are placing the object, where you are obtaining the image, and what is the size of the image you are obtaining. So all those details one day you will be seeing in this tabular column. Similar manner you will be seeing in the tabular column also for convex mirror. Then why I am asking you to merge with the figure? It is very simple. For the first ray diagram, you must write the first condition under this tabular column. Like that, you segregate the figures. Okay. So for concave mirror, totally 6 ray diagrams will be there. And for convex mirror, totally how many ray diagrams will be there? It is 2 ray diagrams. So you can see totally in mirror part how many ray diagrams are there? 8 ray diagrams are there. First this must reach your brain, then only it is very easy for you to remember, okay, this many ray diagrams are there in the textbook. So in this way I need to remember the logic of the ray diagram. And in the ray diagram, very important thing, you will be doing mistake of forgetting showing the coated part of the, that is shaded region of the mirror. You have to show with the help of the slanting lines only. Okay, you should not show something like this. It is textbook, so they are showing something with this kind of shading. That is impossible to understand what kind of mirror it is, which side you have coated. So to avoid that, we will suggest only for this slanting lines. You can see that clearly. So this is shaded region and this is reflecting region. Okay, so this is very important tip when you are presenting in the examination. Likewise, please make a note of it. Likewise, we are going to see for the lens also. Let me show you that also. So you can see how we have seen for the concave mirror, convex mirror. Here you are going to see for the convex lens and concave lens. Same manner in page number 178 in your textbook. You can see table 10.4 and you are going to match that with the figure 10.16 which is in the page number 181. Same way you are going to match the table 10.5 in 179 page number with the figure 10.17 in 181 page number. Okay. Please make a note of it and then you can do this work in a separate notebook. For this condition, this is the ray diagram. For the second condition, this is the ray diagram. This kind of object, that means this kind of image only I am going to obtain. Like that, you will get the idea when you are doing this work. Okay. And convex lens, you know in which way you are going to draw. And then concave lens also you know how to draw. So I will tell you the tricks to remember the various types of lens and mirrors. Okay. So first let me show you concave mirror. So for this, remember the logic, use the spoon technique. Okay. The inner part, here only you can collect the sugar. You can take the sugar with the help of this part of the spoon only. So it is also looking like a cave. Okay, in Tamil we will say that as kugai, kuri mari irukradunala, so we will say that as cave. So concave mirror, here it is like converging. So with this logic only you are going to find, okay, it is concave mirror. First hint. Next, opposite to this will be what? Convex mirror. So what is this convex mirror? It is like this. It will be curved outwards. So the coated area will be here. And if you are taking a spoon means you cannot collect the sugar in the back side of the spoon. So that is diverging. Okay, diverging story. So light rays will get converge if it is concave mirror and it will diverge if it is convex mirror. Next you can see if it is convex lens. So you can see how I am drawing convex. So a simple logic to remember the story of convex lens. It is there inside your eyes also. So you are seeing something. So it is converging only. So convex lens converging. So it will converge the light rays. So I will give you the trick also over here. Convex converging. This will work out only for lens. Don't get confused with the mirror of that story. Okay. And then concave means it is what? diverging. So remember these tricks, and in the next video I will tell you the trick how to approach the numericals of the light with the simplified Cartesian sign convention. So with that table you can easily apply the signs for the numericals, that is numbers given in the question, for the magnitudes. So easily you can apply the sign and then you can go for the simplification of the problem. Okay, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.